Setting up some tannerite with my buddies. A couple of pounds.
I text him you're setting up. Tell him we're about to go. Oh, okay. Hold on, wait. Can you see it?
You ready? I'm ready.
Kaden, can you see it?
Hold your ears good.
Okay.
On you.
Hold on now.
Listen to the
Oh, my chest.
Listen to the
Oh, my chest.
Alright, how many windows just broke?
So that was a little bit bigger than anticipated. I'm gonna check the damage on the hole over here. We've had reports no windows were broken, so we're in good shape. Approaching ground zero. Oh my gosh. That's a pretty big hole. I guess you can't really see it. I need you to stand in this hole so you can tell how big it is.
If you were standing right here without shot,
This shredded stuff here is cooler. Igloo.
Lex,
They're standing in a hole so they can see how big it is.
Lex, if I was standing right here,
Oh yeah, you'd have been blown up back to yesterday.
you think I'd be dead?
Probably. You wouldn't feel very good. Here, stand in it. Stand in it. That's a pretty big hole.